guys, I have a new light for shooting. So this came yesterday. Some of the things I was using, back home, I didn't come with the only food stuff I came with. It's just like me, starting afresh, buying stuff. So I would say this is the first thing I've gotten for myself here, for this for my videos, and I'm happy about it. I want you guys to join me. Let us unbox this goodness. I really don't know much about all these light settings and all that. Even the one the other one I was using, it was my husband that helps me out. So permit me to allow him feature in this video. Not his face, but his voice will be entering. You will not say anything. Say something now.
Can we start? So guys, this is Ego Pixel and it comes in two variations. Yep, I guess it comes in the long one and the long stand and the short stand. Alright, box day. So Chef Ella, open your stuff.
Okay.
Alright, this is how it comes in the package. It comes with a big light and a smaller
I'm liking it. So this is for like, I think this should be for tables, and it has this. Okay, it's these are also for this. I'm just bringing them out. My oga at the top will help me arrange them. So this is for tape and the smaller one, and I think that is the one that has. This is heavy, and it has a kind of a foam.
It's heavy
pad.
so that it can balance well.
Yeah, it can balance well. So these ones now this is for, I think, fixing the phone stand. Is this stand a big clamp? Now this is the
Bunge one.
yeah, this is the main one, like shine bright, like diamond shine. It has it too.
Oh.
I guess there is another thing under. Yeah, so this is the long stand. That's it. So let's quickly set it up and then I'll start using it.
Let's start with the small one first. So I think the small one, let's put the base. Okay, the base come in here. Yep. Yep. This is good. Let's bring it down a little bit. This goes in here actually. Okay. So this is what we have. So now, if you want to get your phone, this guy clips either here or here, depending on the what do you call it, distance or something. So alright, so there we go. Let me keep more tight. Alright, good. So we are good. Alright, so this is just a normal phone, right? And then yep, this is great. So you can also make this one tight so it won't be falling. So when you position it, you can kind of close it. Yep, make it tight, and yeah, there we go. So no matter how you put the phone, it stays there. And that's quite nice. Okay, so we can actually increase it. Yep. So we're done with the first one. Give it a good thing. What do you think, honey? You like it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright. Let's go and do this next one. And the next one, we have our stand. So this one is just the stand, right? And you can increase it. Alright, and you can also go very high as you want it, but I'm not gonna go that much high. Okay. You don't do this, Abby? Where does it go?
Yeah.
Okay, it comes there. Alright, now one good about this one too is that you can actually turn to, if you lose this guy, you can actually turn this guy wherever you want it to be. I'm gonna give it a tight here, I'm gonna tight it here. Okay, there we go. You can just turn it and stay there. Yeah, it stays there. Anyway, you want it to be. Right? Great. So I'm gonna fix this phone stuff here. So I think this one, let's bend this. Oh yeah, look at this thing goes like you can bend it how you want to bend it. Okay. So let's this one goes in first, I guess. Yep, correct. And this comes in here. And then we can, let me show you this. We can then light it here. So this goes, let's put the phone so we can test it, see what it looks like. Yep, that's it. And we can turn it this way. We can even bend this guy to look up, down, wherever it is. So this way. Yeah. Don't forget that we can also bend this one to come down if you want to. Or this light can be facing up while the phone is facing up straight. See, in case. So depending on whatever you want. The light can be facing up and the phone is facing you. Or the light is facing you while the phone is. So anyhow you want it.
My phone is bending.
Yeah, the phone is bending anyway. So
No,
let's-
bend the phone. Like, that's what I'm saying.
Like,
Bend
okay,
the
the phone
phone.
can be on side. Yeah.
Like it has a kind of, this is spring, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Alright, so I guess we can turn this on and see what it looks like. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so.
Did you extend this? It's not extended.
No,
It's longer now.
It's definitely longer. We'll put it down there. Okay, so let's put this on together too. Plug both of them at the same time. Okay, I'll show them the controls too.
So I can even use the two of them together.
Yeah, so let's plug this one. Alright, and let's also plug the second one. Alright. Are you ready for the magic?
Yeah.
These are the controls for two of them. Alright, so we're gonna power on both of them right now. Guys, can you show them the full lights?
Okay.
Yeah, great. Are you ready for these guys? Are you ready for these guys?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go backwards. 3.
I beg, release power now. Release
1.
the power. Soft white.
Soft white. White,
whatever,
all those things.
whatever.
The small one too has the same thing. So let's see this one. Okay, this is both of them are in cloud or whatever they call it. Both of them are in soft white. And both of them are in pure white. All right, great. So you can use both of them if you want to. So let's see how long this can go. All right, let's see how long this can go. All right, so okay, so I'm just gonna take the first layer first. I'm gonna open up the first layer.
Oh wow, it's very
Alright, so
long.
this is the first layer. Then we're gonna open up the other layer.
Wait, it's longer than this.
Yeah.
Eh?
Okay, so.
Wow.
Okay. Alright. So, there you go.
Can you see where this is? It's torsion.
And let's see how long this guy can go to. So see.
Okay.
Actually, you're correct. This is a short man. This is the.
Well, guys, can you guess now if the light is on or off? Whatever you think, you're right. But let me tell you, the light is off. I'm gonna on the light now. Did you notice any difference? Is there any difference? Of course there is. There is a huge difference, guys. This is me rocking my